Check out our newest updated feature. We now have document and contract management within Contacts. This feature allows businesses just like yours to easily manage documents and contracts directly within the contact profile, facilitating streamlined document management, organization, access, and collaboration. So let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is really going to improve organization because it's going to enable businesses to upload, store, and access documents and contracts directly within the Contacts profile so that everything is linked up and in one place. It's also going to give you advanced accessibility, providing convenient access to important documents and contracts, again, right inside of the Contacts records. On that practical use, a small business user utilizing the CRM to manage client relationships is now going to be able to utilize the new document and contract management feature so they can upload and track client contracts directly within the contact profiles, ensuring easy access to important documents and facilitating timely follow-up and review. Let me show you exactly where that's located. First, you're going to go into Contacts in the left-hand navigation menu, and then you're going to want to be under Smart Lists in that area. Now, I want you to go ahead and access one of your contacts. From there, you're going to see this new icon, and it is the document management icon. So go ahead and click on that. And from there, you're going to be able to see that you have all sorts of document management options. You can download, you can view the source, you can even copy links from this area. Go ahead and access the document right within the folder and click on this one, check on the Sent tab. This Sent tab means that this is a document you've actually sent this user. This feature streamlines document organization and enhances accessibility. It also simplifies collaboration, empowering your business to effectively and efficiently manage client relationships and your business operations all within a single platform. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.